guys, what's up? It's me, Journey. And today I'm with Ariana again.
At my house.
Again. Okay, and today we're making some slime.
Yep, but we're gonna go out there to make it.
Let's go. Wait, you're forgetting the bowl. I'm gonna take the bowl.
The glitter.
Let's go. Dang, there's a lot of cussing going on out here.
And all in life comes good. That's when the host comes on.
Oh crap. He's eating. Let's go back to the room. We found it. We go the bathroom. We're in the bathroom again making slime.
Yes, but you haven't seen a slime video, so we're gonna.
You saw us last time doing nails. That's activator. I want to go first. Wait, you have the glitter?
Glitter?
Wait, where's the popsicle?
Wait, I need.
Wait, the glue's in the way. Mess. I'm fine. Get in the clear glue. Okay, that's enough.
I always just mess with them.
Perfect. Okay, got the paint. It's blue.
So won't you stay with yourself?
Yes, it's going. It's not activating though. Okay.
Yourself.
On with me, man.
Help me get this up. Can you give me a paper towel?
Erica. Do you watch Matt and Erica?
Super enough to touch it.
Wait, okay. Ariana, that's my slime. That's
This
my
is
slime.
activate mode.
I hurt my thumb when I was opening the container. Yeah. I was scared.
Here's some of this.
Dang,
This is all. So I also brought the Valentine's ones.
Okay.
We could just make a Valentine's slime.
Okay, I have to
Oh,
go.
I once made a galaxy slime
How?
with some of my glitter.
Okay, so there's my slime. It feels so disgusting. Okay, we got some glitter in it. Okay, so we got some glitter in the slime.
Now watch me massage your feet. After that, we'll massage your feet.
Oh my goodness! Look at my slime.
Hey, do you want some?
We gotta mix
glitter?
it. Yeah, I already put some glitter in it. I'm gonna put the Valentine's ones in it.
Here, just add 2.
I knew you were gonna say 2. Just add 2.
Actually, you can add just a couple.
Okay.
Here, this is how much you can use.
I'm gonna put these in this slime.
Here. Here's a couple more.
Look at my scrunchie. When my hair's done, I can just have my scrunchie. Because my cousin has red burgundy ones.
Hey, look. Look, I got some more.
Okay.
And add some more of this glitter.
Okay. We're gonna add a lot of glitter because we want to make it glitter. Fantastic.
Got to save some glitter for me.
Okay.
After that, we're gonna show you massage feet.
Yeah, that's what I just said. I'll tell you.
It was supposed to be a surprise, but